Hello, My name is Sarah, welcome to my channel once again. I know I'm updating constantly, I'm happy. Today we're gonna have a very quick and glowy and natural makeup because I'm late as always. My boyfriend's brother is graduating, so we're gonna do a dinner in his house. That's gonna be fun. It's late as you can see and the lighting is not bad. That means that I brought my lamp here to my bathroom. Always good. So first, since this is quick, I'm gonna go ahead. I have many pimples around my face because I'm gonna get my period soon, and that happens. First things first, as per usual, we're gonna use a toner. This one by Clarins. I was gonna use the fancy one, but honestly, I like the Clarins one better. By the way, look at my dog. So pretty. It's from For Love and Lemons. Beautiful clothing. Super expensive, but I had sale, so that's always good. I'm sorry, but as you guys know, I'm not alone in my room, and I promise you, it was quiet right before I started recording. So let's just apply what's this called? The tonic all over the face, just to make sure that I'm not gonna be oily. Now, this is quick. We know what we're doing. I'm gonna add some serum, and I'm gonna use this one that I have used before, and it's the Bare Minerals. I have no idea what kind of serum this is, but it says that after cleansing, apply 2 pumps over the entire face and neck. So that's what we're gonna do. So let's apply this all over the face, like so, very gently. Bring it down. Don't forget the ears. I don't know, I saw a couple of models saying that many times, and it got me thinking that maybe, just maybe, I also need to not forget about my ears. So it is what it is. Now we're going with the eye cream, which is this one by Believe. Believe that you can fly. If you believe it, you can do it. If you believe you can fly, you will fly. That's life. That is the promises of life. Add that on the other eye, because you don't want just one eye, you want both of them. Since we're going fast, I'm gonna be using this little guy here that is a coconut skin smoothie priming moisturizer. Beautiful. The good thing about this is that it's moisturizer and primer, and I need a tiny bit for my entire face, so that's amazing. You see how much that is? You do your Google. My goodness, I have 15 minutes. We're gonna make this tonight. Gonna make this tonight. I look like if I'm from a Renaissance type of movie. I'm not. Let it dry like this. Add our fave, the Mermaid Skin Serum by Tarte, because this thing, it's amazing to make my skin like if I was a doll and not a real human being. Tap that in there. Don't let it dry. Dry it yourself. We continue with just concealer, no foundation. If you're wondering where I'm looking at, the viewfinder is right here. Camera is here. It makes me uncomfortable to look at the camera. I feel that I'm looking at you directly into your eye. I don't like that. So we're gonna be using the concealer that I love. Is the Rainforest of the Sea by Tarte. Gonna add a few drops. You already know how to do this part, so I'm gonna fast forward it as I don't have much time to talk. I'm sorry. Now we're gonna be adding some. I'm moving my lamp, and this time we're gonna go ahead and with this little guy that comes in the thing, we're gonna in the entire face. Now we're gonna go with, where is it? We're using all the face today. I'm using the Hoola bronzer. So we do this. I really hope when I finish recording this that the music that I'm listening to in real life is not as loud, because last time it was really loud in the editorial room, meaning my computer. I was very annoyed, but that's life, you know? Now we're gonna go with blush. You know how you say blush in Spanish? Rubor. I'm gonna use all of the pink ones that you see here. I literally just dabbed it in all of the pinks just to bring a little bit of more color into my face. I'm really trying to get the blush technique as Kennedy does because she looks so good. I've seen her videos many times and I do not look like that. But you can only keep on trying, you know? Now we're gonna go with heavy highlighter. Grwm by Glossier. This is the Horoscope one in the color Quartz. Dab it a little bit. As always, my Wonder highlighter. You know, I actually have other highlighters. Let's use another one. I'm gonna use the one from this palette by Too Faced. It is this one right here. Very pretty. I don't know, I just like the other one a little bit better, but I guess it's not a favorite anymore. This is very natural, so I highly doubt I'm gonna do any eyeshadow, to be honest. I'm supposed to be leaving in now. It's 7:15. Let's do a little bit of the brownish here, just to add some darkness into the eye. We lower in the eyelash. Then we add some of the highlighter into the inner corner. Then we add some for the eyebrow bone thing. Very natural. Can you see? No, you cannot. That's how natural it looks. And so we shall continue now with a little bit of the Sum. I love saying that. Let's add some of this eyeshadow. Wow, this mascara that is called Light Cameras Flashes. Curl your eyelash. I really hope I'm not overdressing. Most of the time I do, and it's a little bit uncomfortable, to be honest, but that's me. There is not much I can do about that, besides trying to not look extra every time someone tells me to do something. I overdo everything, even my job. They ask me to do like, oh, let's do some research on this. Super informal, super like chill. And I'll come up with like an entire presentation thing. And they just like, that's not what we asked for, but thank you. I'm sorry that I care, you know? We can use some lip gloss. I was thinking of red lipstick, but I think that would be way too much. And I use these two guys right here because they provide some. I love this color, so let's do this color as well. Now I'm adding this lip gloss. This is gonna be like the fastest makeup routine that I have done, to be honest. Finalize the eyebrows. My camera died. I know. It died and I didn't even notice, so I ran because I was super late. And what's the final look? I put on some earrings. Maybe with natural light you can see a little bit better, but very glowy, very natural looking. Honestly, if you see it from far away. Do I have makeup? Heck yeah, I do. This is my hair today, by the way. It's looking terrible, I know. I haven't done anything to my hair in like forever. I also got bangs. I think I said it in the last video. I got bangs and I don't use them because I wanted it to be like those fun and curly bangs, you see? But it doesn't really work out with my type of hair because it's not really curly. I wanted it to be like super curly and fun. I don't know how they do that. At least they're long enough for me to put it this way and people wouldn't even know that I got them. So this is the top. I love it. I have these like super high-waisted, very loose jeans. These are my shoes. This is really good lighting. I wish I could like record videos outside all the time. That would be great. I hope you guys like my video. I know it was very random. Everything was very random on the video, to be honest. I'm gonna put you here so I can say goodbye. You're gonna stay there. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it. Most of my videos are not this random, but they're usually pretty bad quality. So if you like that, give it a like, subscribe, so we can all help each other, for me to get a ring light, maybe some setup, maybe a new home. You don't know. Comment whatever you want. You know how YouTube works. And I'll see you next time. Bye.